Uniswap Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, designed for cryptocurrency enthusiasts who value simplicity, transparency, and full control over their assets. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Uniswap allows users to trade tokens directly from their wallets without intermediaries. Its standout feature is the use of an automated market maker (AMM) model, which eliminates the need for traditional order books by relying on liquidity pools. This makes trading fast and seamless, particularly for swapping Ethereum-based tokens. The platform is non-custodial, meaning you retain complete control over your funds, which is a big plus for security-conscious users. The interface is user-friendly, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader. Adding or removing liquidity to pools is intuitive, enabling anyone to earn a share of trading fees. I found the transaction process straightforward. Just connect your wallet, select tokens, and confirm the trade. However, Uniswap isn't without drawbacks. High Ethereum gas fees during network congestion can make small trades uneconomical. Additionally, its open nature means there's a risk of trading fake or low-quality tokens if you don't double-check contract addresses. That said, Uniswap shines for those who appreciate decentralization, access to a wide range of tokens, and liquidity farming opportunities. For me, it's been an efficient way to access newly launched tokens early, often unavailable on centralized exchanges. Overall, Uniswap delivers a solid, decentralized trading experience, ideal for anyone who values privacy and control.